But I got safety boots. Do you got have safety boots?
Where's your safety boots?
Right on my feet.
Oh.
You know? Right here.
Okay, can I see what kind of tools you got?
Yeah, you can. I got.
Come over here. Bring it over on this side.
I didn't see what's in there.
Jack,
Look at all my tools.
come over on this side. I can't really see you that well.
See.
It's a video. You don't have to say cheese.
Oh.
And your name is?
My name is Jack.
Hey, Jack.
Hi.
And what's my name?
Your name is Dirt.
Dirt.
Yeah.
What kind of construction are we going to be doing today?
I'm going to be doing buildings.
What kind of buildings?
Apartment buildings.
Apartment buildings?
Yeah. Kind of you can use a drill.
What's my job going to be?
I'm building my drill doesn't work. My drill is
Let's see.
it's not making a sound. It's not making a sound.
I think it's making a sound. What do you mean?
Remove that plate, see, it's not gonna touch.
What other tools you got in there?
Let me show you my big hammer. Look.
You got a little hammer?
No, a big hammer too.
Let's see.
See?
Could I have a bit more coffee?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't have any more coffee.
No more coffee?
No. For sure no.
For sure, no?
No.
Who gave you all this really nice construction stuff?
Nobody did.
You don't even remember?
Ome did.
Ame did.
There's 2 fingers in here.
Is there?
Yeah. Was there?
Does Annabella play construction with you?